Pilipinas Sambo and the Sambo Federation of Asia and Oceania, to President Ala Mulem, welcome to the Philippines, welcome to Manila. Palakpakan po natin si President Mulem. To the other federations from all over Asia and Oceania, I can see you. Welcome to Manila. To the President of Sambo Pilipinas, Paulo Tarconchan. Palakpakan po natin si Paulo. To all participating athletes, technical delegates, media from all over Asia, welcome to Manila. The Philippines is happy to host this very special sports tourism event here in the historic Ninoy Aquino Stadium in Rizal Memorial Coliseum. This facility, this around 9 hectares facility we built in the 1930s when we hosted the second Asian Games. But this year and in the next couple of years, we will host more international sporting events. It is part of our grassroots strategy, it is part of our sports strategy, and it is part of our tourism strategy. And it is the strategy of our President Ferdinand Marcos. So to all sponsors, maraming salamat po. To all agencies, government agencies who supported this event, maraming salamat po. I look forward to 3 more days of competition. We hope, Mr. President, that you can consider giving us more events in the future because the Philippines is ready to host more Sambo events. I've noticed that Sambo is growing very fast in the Philippines. It is because of the able leadership of President Paulo. So, as long as our grassroots remain determined, as long as they're happy, as long as we keep on winning medals, then we will support Sambo and the growth of Sambo in the Philippines. Once again, maraming salamat. In the Philippines, in the Filipino language, we say, mabuhay sa lahat ng atletang Pilipino. Galingan nyo, para sa inyo to, para sa mama at papa ito, para sa bayan natin ito. Gamitin nyo ang gintong medalya. Alam ko, narinig nyo ko ngayon. Lahat ito ginagawa natin para sa future nyo. Once again, maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Sambo.
Thank you so much, PSC Chairman Bob Gregorio, for your